Nauzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to each and everyone. This is regarding the mail that I had sent in 2018 to RGPC. That is, does RGPC Qatar as a whole cares for the environment for our future generation to come? This was on June 21st, 2018, 6 o'clock 42 p.m. This I'll just change for now, because in Hyderabad when I sent a mail, one more mail, I will change it like this: do Muslims as a whole cares for the environment for our future generation to come? So we are going into the details of this now. I'll not take much time. This is like the routine things that we are doing, especially see. Today I use this razor. You can see it reverse here. This is from Supermax, and this is a razor that I have used. Generally what we do, we just throw it in the dustbin. Where it goes, how it goes, everyone knows. See, this is Safai Karvi, the cleaning guys, the housekeeping guys, they will collect this. This will not be in the same condition. Now it is cleaned with hot water and it is safe now. Yani it is not, it cannot be used. It has lost its sharpness, but anyone can touch this. Even children can touch this. There is no harm. But what we do, we just throw in the dustbin. We mix everything, wet, dry, organic, inorganic, usable, not usable, everything, and we just forget what is going to happen later on. See, this is how garbage is getting collected in throughout the world. This is the big issue, big challenge. Why I am so serious about this? See, I have been certified from when I was working in Qatar, Raskirtas. I am very thankful for my company, for my Raskirtas. They had trained me for Nibosh, from England. This is a special training given, like how to safeguard the environment around us. So what I have learned and what I want to do is, see, this is the supplier. We have the supplier address and all. We can write to them, and I request the government also to approve this. Like how the owner of this, the supplier of this, he should take it back. Because he knows what best can be done out of this, and what are all the materials he has used in this to bring it to life, and bring it to for use. So he knows best how to dispose it, and he can give rebate. Maybe 1% or 2% for the next buyer, so that he can have the sales also. See, why I am telling this? See, if we don't do, charity begins at home, everyone knows. And in the Quran, Allah says, whatever we do, whatever we say, before we do, if we say, it is very wrong. It is not allowed. Allah is the creator, the Allah, the God, the Khuda, whatever we call by the names. He's single, he's alone. So what he says, before telling, you have to do. So I am following, but I did not yet write to the supplier here. But what I am doing, this I am putting. I have can here of 210 liters barrel. I am putting in that one. So I am giving it for the trash, for recycling, for reusable. I am disposing like that. I am not mixing it with the organic things, that the food items, that the chopped vegetables or fruits. I am not mixing with them, because that goes separate. Because life of that is little, that animals can eat, birds can eat. Then later on it will get dry, and it will get fungus will form. Then it will mix with the sand, with the mud, and it gets fertilized. It is this is how the Allah has created this universe. Everything is in a closed cycle. It comes back to us. So this is the reason I am telling we are not safeguarding the environment, and this is one of the biggest reason for the creator to be angry and to have corona in this world. And this is clearly told in the Quran, that we are not supposed to harm the environment, harm the land, air and water. This is a very deep meaning. I think people will understand. My sincere request is, teach the kids. Do yourself and teach the kids. This we can change the world. This is how the Chinese and Japanese they do. They don't have anything in their dictionary as waste, but we feel shy. We feel shy to talk. We feel shy to reuse. We feel shy to dispose in a better manner. We are so educated, and we know everything. I think I will finish here. Jazakallah. Thank you very much.